ManuFuture conference has already a long history of events that have been taking place in different European countries, and it has been very important to generate a consensus on a vision about what should be, in particular, the main priorities, the main strategies with regard to research and innovation at the European level for the manufacturing sector. And the European Commission has been a partner in this development from the beginning. We have been in permanent contact and dialogue with the ManuFuture community, and even more especially in the last few years, since the launch of the European Economic Recovery Plan, the dialogue with the manufacturing industry has allowed us to focus even more our support on those areas which are going to make the biggest impact and the best expected results, making sure that eventually we can bring those research results into products according to the needs of the European industry. Manufacturing is a sector which contributes a lot to the European gross domestic products, and in recent years there's been, not only because of the current crisis but even before, because of the globalization, a much bigger challenge from new competitors other than the traditional industrialized countries, in particular the emerging economies in Asia and in other parts of the world. And if manufacturing is going out of Europe, then a lot of jobs are going to be lost in the manufacturing sector, but also a lot of jobs which are related to manufacturing but which are in the services sectors would be lost as well, and even the knowledge that is associated to producing those advanced goods could also be lost. So I think that Europe has to find the way to be a competitive economy in the production of goods in the world, and to try to specialize on those goods which are high added value and which have high embedded knowledge, where we can best compete with the other competitors, the other important economies in the world. Well, I think Europe is still leader in a good number of sectors, but of course the competition is more fierce than before. Of course, in other sectors we have lost a lot of production capacity, which has gone mainly to Asia, but also to other countries. And I think that we should do our best to try to support the existing manufacturing and production facilities in Europe, and even to try to reindustrialize Europe if possible with the correct strategies.